factor tree of 290. So 290, it can be written as 2 times 145. 2 times 145 means 290. So 145, it can be written as 5 times 29. 5 times 29 means 145. So now we select the prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers are 2, 5 and 29. So we can write 290 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2 times 5 times 29. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.